Hello everyone, welcome you all in the 11th class geography. I hope you all are well and doing well at your homes. After the successful completion of mock test in PT1, now once again we are starting the virtual and live classes. This is first video of 13th of July of 11th class geography. From here we are starting Indian geography book. And in Indian geography book we are starting with first chapter, the location of India. We will complete this entire chapter in 3 modules. One module which is related to the location of India, second the size of India, and the third module which is related to the neighboring countries of India and the relationship of India with its neighboring countries. So let's start the first topic for today's module. Location of India. If we see the location of India in the world, so you can see the red one is the India here. You can see the location of India. You all are familiar with the direction. This is the east direction. This is west direction. This is north direction and this is south direction. So if we see the direction of India on the world map, so basically it is northeast direction. So we can see or we can say that the direction of India in the world map, that is the northeast direction. Next, the extension of India. The extension of India we can see from north to south and east to west. So the extension in your books, because these are old printed books, so in your books it is mentioned that the north to south extension of India from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari, but now it's from Ladakh. Now it's from Ladakh, north, south, east and west. So you can see from north to south and east to west. So from east to west it is from Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat. From east to west it is from Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat, and from north to south it is extended from Ladakh to Kanyakumari. North to south it is extended from Ladakh to Kanyakumari. So this is the extension or the mainland extension of India. The next, what we should know about the India, that is the latitudinal and longitudinal extension of India. So latitude, you all are familiar with latitudes, that the horizontal line, I am drawing here the horizontal line called as latitude, and the vertical line, this is vertical line, these are called as longitude. So the horizontal line called as latitude and the vertical line called as longitude. So if we see the latitudinal and longitudinal extension of India, but there is two terms in this. If we see the latitudinal extension of mainland of India, so it started from 8 degree 4 minute to 37 degree 6 minute. From mainland, the latitudinal extension of India, of mainland of India. So it started from 8 degree 4 minute to 37 degree 6 minute. But if we see the latitudinal extension of India, so it started from Andaman and Nicobar, and that is started from 6 degree 4 minute. I am once again repeating, if the question is what is the extension of mainland of India, so the mainland started from Thiruvananthapuram. So the extension, the latitudinal extension basically started from 8 degree 4 minute, But if the question is what is the latitudinal extension of India only, there is no given that the mainland or anything. So it started from 6 degree 4 minute, and that is the latitude of Andaman and Nicobar, the starting Andaman island basically. This is the latitudinal extension of India. Now see the longitudinal, means the vertical. So started from Gujarat. So this is from 68 degree 7 minute. This is the initial point, 68 degree 7 minute from last point of Arunachal Pradesh, 97 degree 25 minutes. So the longitudinal extension of India started from 68 degree 7 minute to 97 degree 25 minutes. So this is the latitudinal and longitudinal extension of India. Now see the another term, that is the east to west and north to south distance. You can see east to west means from Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat, and north to south from Ladakh to Kerala. So east to west, the distance from east to west, that is the 2933, means 2933 kilometer. This is the distance from eastern to westernmost point of India, and the distance of north to south, from north to south, that is the 3214 kilometers, means 3214 kilometers. So from east to west, this is 2933 kilometers distance, and from north to south, that is the 3214 kilometer distance. So once again, what am I explaining? This is a given of the explanation of the each and every point. If we see the latitudinal and longitudinal extension of India, so there is a difference of near about 30 degree from east to west. There is a difference of 30 degree from east to west. But as you know, all the watches of the India showing the same time. So what is the cause behind that? So you all are familiar with the IST, Indian Standard Time, that you read in class 9th. What the mean of IST, Indian Standard Meridian. So the Indian Standard Meridian passes through from Mirzapur of UP, and the place is Naini basically. So this Indian Standard Time and the longitude of this standard meridian is 82 degree 30 minutes. So the longitude of this meridian is 82 degree 30 minutes, or we can say 82 and half degree. This passes through from UP, Mirzapur, Allahabad and Naini. Naini is the place from its passes. It passes from other states also, but the first it passes from the UP. So whatever the time at this standard meridian, that is showing in the all areas of the India, means जो भी टाइम इस स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन पर होगा पूरी कंट्री में वही टाइम को फॉलो किया जाएगा. दिस इज सूदिंग फॉर द गवर्नमेंट वर्क एंड अदर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव वर्क, यानी ऑफिशियल और अदर वर्क को सूदिंग बनाने के लिए, स्मूथिंग बनाने के लिए हमने पूरी कंट्री में स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन के टाइम को ही कंसिडर किया है. दैट्स व्हाई इट्स कॉल्ड एट IST यानी इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड टाइम लाइन. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस the basic term of the India, location of India. So we saw the latitudinal and longitudinal extension of India, central meridian, the difference north to south and east to west extension of India. In next module, we will discuss the size of India. Thank you.